Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajet Graphics online tutorial. This video will take you through my logo design process and I advise you to watch this video till the end. Have a nice watching. After sending a creative brief to the client, I collected necessary information about the logo. The name of the company is AgroGive. It's a new fundraising platform that provides people with the right tools and strategy to raise money for agriculture in Nigeria. The company value is giving, nature, life, and charity. So I started mind mapping by taking the two keywords, which is agro and giving. So I look for words associated with agro, which are fruits, plants, tree, and words associated to give, and offer, donate, and provide. So after selecting these two word and plant, so I go online to search for inspirations and idea, in which I search hand holding plant uh, via Google. So it shows me the results of several ideas, several image, uh, in which I'm going to be using them in my logo design. So after selecting on the image, it loads up your image. So you have the option to choose any image that will fit in for your logo design. So after that, I was able to come up with this mood board. So these are the image I use as my source of inspiration. Uh, so so I started the sketching part of the process, in which you don't need to be professional in this part, just a rough sketching and to come up with something related to your keywords in the logo. It depends on the name of the company you are working with. So you can see this, I'm just drawing plants and ant. So all the image must be related to your keyword. So after that, I finally selected one among the idea, in which I finally choose these concepts to work on. So I clean the drawing before started using my CorelDraw to create the logo. So the first tool you're going to use is the Bezier tool. So you know the Bezier tool is a tool that you can use to create to build a shape with straight line. So as you can see that all the line I'm creating are straight. So after creating the shape, that's that part of the hand. So I'm going to select the rectangle tool. So when you select the rectangle tool, you draw the rectangle and then you make sure the size is as appropriate to the sketching you draw. So I duplicate it, then select the shape tool to curve uh, the half part of the logo. As you can see that the round corner of the hand, it shows to let it shows that it's a folded hand. So you select the shape tool to curve that aspect. Then draw another rectangle of the same size with the two rectangle at the top. Then this time around, select the shape tool and curve all the four edges out together. So now I will still copy this down here, then reduce the size a little bit. So after that, I'll draw the circle tool. Select the circle tool and draw a circle. Then you're going to duplicate this circle into two. So after copying this circle, then overlap the circle, let them intersect. So now select your smart fill tool. The smart fill tool we are going to use to create a new shape in between the two the overlap area. As you can see now, that's the smart fill tool. So I don't need the all those circle shape again. So I've already get the exact shape I need. So now I duplicate the shape and rotate it to 45 degree. So now I'll first copy it to the left side, then to the right side. Duplicate, copy here, or you can press Ctrl D. Then you're going to flip it to the other side. After you are done with that, so now the plant stick. So I'm going to draw that with rectangle tool. Then use your shape tool to curve the downside, the down part of the tree. So now, so I need to make a clean, a proper arrangement of the logo. So for me to do that, I'm going to select my shape tool again to curve. This shape is in straight line. So when you select your shape tool, so you're going to node uh, the node at the center. So after nodding them, you convert the line to curve, and then you make it appropriate curve. So after that, so I'm going to curve. All the same thing will be applied to all the sharp edge that are supposed to be curved according to my sketch. So now use your shape tool. So I will node that area, node, add node here, delete that node, then convert the line to curve. So after converting the line to curve, you extend the curve, just drag it outside to make it a nice curve. So now I'm done with that part. So so I will now curve that the last part area of the hand. Add a node there. So you're going to add two node, then delete the middle node, make it a curve. So now drag the curve outside. So so after with that aspect, so I'm going to uh, resize this a little bit to make it get appropriate with the hand. So it's not too it will not be too big for the shape. So now I will select these two shape and make sure that they are in line with the object. So this just trying to balance the shape, the hand, in which you can easily do that with just your select tool. So after you are done the with with this drawing, so the next thing you're going to do, uh you're going to increase that a little bit. So uh you group the object all together, and give it color green. So this time I'm going to give it the plant aspect. I'll give it a kind of light green that looks like a plant. Understand? So when you give it green, so remove the outline. That so that same green it's going to be applied to the other part of the plant. So the hand are selected together. So I'll give it green, but it's going to be a dark green, a dark shade of green. So by selecting F11, you're going to show your edit fill menu and select a uniform fill. So now it's now a deep green if you can look closely very well. So I'm having to color for the logo. So as you can see now, my logo is almost done. So what next now is to group the icon, the image, and make it a single one. Then select your text tool. So type the text, the logo type, aggregate. So you're going to give it. So for this, I use Monstrate for the text. So you can use any font you feel it be appropriate for the logo. I would advise you to use a very eligible logo for the text, so that you don't use decorative text or cursive text for your logo type. So now I'm going to increase the text so that it look appropriate with the logo. And also I'm going to think I can change the color and make this agro green and give so it's the color are also of the text are also in line with the symbol, with the icon or with the logo. So I can still make another variety of this logo in which these these I can make the horizontal version of the logo. Uh, so okay, so to make the horizontal version of the logo, so I'm going to duplicate this rectangle so that I will create the horizontal version of the logo. Okay, so I've copied the logo, I've duplicate the logo now. So I'm going to ungroup them. So this text is going to be at the so now how we reduce the icon so that it fits with the text. So this is now the horizontal version of the logo so that it can work for some other purposes like maybe at the top of a website, or it depends on the usage of the logo. So any of the two logo now can suit for the client's purpose or for the client's usage. So after creating your logo, there is a need for a presentation for your client, and that's where we come into your mockup design. So you can easily download your mockup online. I have a mockup here. So but before you can mock up your logo, you need to export your logo as a transparent background, as in it's gonna be exported as PNG file, a transparent file, as you all know. So after exporting the logo, you can see now I've exported the logo to PNG file. So now this PNG file will now be imported into my Photoshop. So after exporting your PNG file from CorelDraw, so I'm going to make use of it in this Photoshop document. So by right clicking on this uh, layer, you're going to edit content. And click on edit content, you can see that you can see your logo design here. So it now shows up where you're going to insert the logo. So these are the previous logo I've worked on. Then I will now copy this into my Photoshop. You can easily press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or you can drag the image from the file explorer then into your Photoshop, into your PSD, into your smart object uh, layer. Then after that, you're going to press Ctrl S. So when you save the document, it automatically will reflect on the Photoshop document on the right, the t-shirt mockup, as you can all see now. So you can see this the mockup of the logo on a t-shirt. So this how we are going to create several mockup for the presentation of the logo. So you're going to export this into JPEG or PNG. You're going to save it as JPEG or PNG. So after saving it, the file is available to be sent to your client or upload it online on anywhere they there is need for the usage of the logo. You can see, let me open the export, the save image here for you to see. So this is the final output of the logo, the AgroGIF logo on a t-shirt mockup. So thank you for watching.